hello guys, what's up? So I am very much excited right now because see what I have got right now. So this is the Make Epic Money, uh, Ankur Warikoo's book. Uh, it's launched recently on 29th of January. So let me unbox it. I'm very excited actually to unbox it and just take a moment. It is okay. I can see the book. It's pretty good and thick book. Okay. Bye. Excitement on a peak, bro. Just pro level. Yes. Hello. Wow. Bye. What? Great, bro. One of the greatest. You can see side, bro. Yeah, bro. This is the copy. Okay, and this is the book. Make Epic Money, Ankur Warikoo. Let me check inside. Oh, got a nice bookmark. Got a bookmark, bro. And this is the book, but not a signed copy. Although I have this one, a signed copy. Yeah, previous one also I have. This is the third one, and if you can see, so it's look like a wow, bro. And thank you guys. Onik Biswas signing off.